Right, fellas, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about Photoshop. Photoshop is also one of the graphic design softwares that we use in designing. Basically, this deal with pictures a lot. So if you want to edit your picture, you use Photoshop in editing all your pictures. You can also use it to design a flyer, poster, whatever, billboards, and so on and so forth. So this is the start screen or the welcome screen of Photoshop. It depends on the version that you are using as well, and also sometimes if you've worked on a particular project, it is going to appear over here. So at the end of the tutorial of Photoshop, you should be able to design something like this or something like this, or even edit pictures. Yeah, sometimes your old pictures, you can edit them for them to look nice and so on and so forth. So anytime you are starting a new thing, a new project, you go to the file. Like I said, it depends on the version you are using. Some of them will be displayed somewhere here, then you just click on the new, create new document. But for this version, we are going to click on the file, then you go to new. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+N. Then we have our new page setup over here. So over here, what name are you going to use to save it? So let's say Photoshop. Tutorial. Photoshop tutorials. Now you can also select your paper size from here. So before you can select your paper size, you realize that this is the default Photoshop size. So you can click and then select international paper from here. Like I said, it depends. Some will not give you that option, and then from here you can select any size that you want from here. So I'll just go by the default A4. If you are creating your own size, you type your width and your height here, and then if you are designing, the RGB is for electronics. So I'm doing the thing just to post it on social media, just to use it as my wallpaper or something. Then I can choose this. But if I'm doing to print, then I'll choose CMYK over here. Alright, so once I'm done, you can also change the background. So by default, the background is white. So when I click on it, so you realize that the background will be white. Now let me go to new again, and then go to new. Let me change the background to a different color for you. Yeah, and then click on OK. Realize I've gotten a new background. Yeah, so if you want to start with a different background, you just have to choose from there. Now from here, what do? Let's learn the basic ones. You learn how to draw a shape, construct a shape. So from here, this is the rectangular tool, but it is not only rectangle that we see over. You click and hold, you see other tools as well. So you click, you draw your rectangle nicely like this, or want to draw a perfect square, you hold the shift key. In the new version, you hold the alt key, the alternate key, to draw your perfect object. So by default, you realize that anytime you click, you draw something, automatically it is filled, because the fill here is set to black. Now I can decide not to put in any fill. So realize that there it has changed. Yes, that is how we do it. So let me delete. Let me click on the shape tool. So before I draw, I can just go and say no fill, and then I can say maybe let me choose the outline. This is the outline, the stroke over here that is the outline, choose it to be black, and then I'll then click and drag to draw. You realize that it didn't fill inside, but rather the outline or the stroke. Now if I want to increase it to, and come here and then click and drag to increase the outline. That's how we increase it. Yeah, if you want to change the color of the stroke, you come here, then you choose any color you prefer. From here, then automatically it is filled. You can also draw ellipse. Click, you drag to draw your ellipse. This is not a perfect circle. To draw a perfect circle, you hold the shift to draw, or the alt key to draw a perfect object. Now anytime you draw something, it creates a layer. These are the layers. So let's do something. So I have this here. Let me change the color to, let me click on it and change the color. This one to, let's say this, and then I can change this one also. Okay, I realize that when I'm clicking this is not moving. So what is wrong? Now you have to make sure that the auto select is checked. So you click on it. Now when I click, so anytime you find problem clicking and it's not selecting, you just have to make sure that auto select is checked. So now let me change this one also to, I say, yeah. Now when I bring this close to this, realize that this is the last one that I created, so it is in front of this. Yeah, it is in front of this. So how, if I want it to go back, that is the order. So what do? The layers are displayed over here. So what I will do is I'll click on the ellipse and bring it down. Bring it down till you see this line, you leave it. So this is how we order. That is how we order. Yeah, so that is your this thing. So this is the test tool, the type 2 over here, we call it the type 2. So click, and then type whatever you want to type. Now by default you realize that it is too small, so if I want, I will increase it before I start typing. So and type here. So after typing, and then I want to make more editing to this particular one. Now we come to this windows over here and make sure that I want to pin the option that we use in formatting the text here. So what I'll do is I'll go to window and come to character, click on it, and then the character will appear here. So the character comes with the text, how you want the text to look like. So I can click here, change the font of the text how I want it to be like. I can even make it bold or regular. Bold, regular. I can increase the size over here if I want to, and then even make it more bolder here. Yeah, so that is how it is. And also if I want to separate the text a little, I want them to space out. Yes, so this is how we do to space the text out, so that sometimes you are doing and you want to have spaces in between them. That is how we do it. Alright, thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.